If you're watching this video, there is a high chance you are someone who had to explain yourself far too many times in life. Not because you were wrong, but because people needed someone to carry their confusion. और सबसे पेनफुल पार्ट ये नहीं होता कि आप गलत हो, पेनफुल ये होता है कि आप गलत नहीं होते फिर भी आपसे सफाई मांगी जाती है. So do not defend yourself here, just listen. You are the kind of person who replays conversation in their head. You think, maybe I said it the wrong way. Maybe I should not have stayed quiet. जबकि सच ये है कि your words were not the problem, their intention was. You were blamed for their misunderstandings, for their insecurities, for things they did not want to take responsibility for. और धीरे धीरे you started questioning yourself. Let me say something very clearly. You read messages twice before sending them. You avoid conflict not because you are weak, but because you value peace. You feel deeply, even when you do not show it. You remember things others have already forgotten. और जब कोई कहता है that you are the problem, you go quiet. इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि you agree, but because you are emotionally tired of defending yourself. You were blamed when things were out of their control. You were expected to understand but never protected. आपसे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मांगी गई लेकिन कभी जेन्युइनली आपको समझा नहीं गया. And one day something changed. You stopped arguing, you stopped explaining, you stopped justifying. लोगों को लगा you gave up. But the truth is, you emotionally stepped back. Hear this carefully. You were not blamed because you were weak. You were blamed because you were safe to blame. Strong people confront, manipulative people shift blame, sensitive people carry everything silently. और आप उनमें से हो जो situations को संभाल लेते हैं, even if it costs their own emotional space. That is why now you do not talk as much. You observe more. You trust slowly. You choose silence consciously. ये bitterness नहीं है. This is self-respect in its quiet form. You no longer feel the need to prove anything because you know the ones who want to see the truth will see it. If somewhere inside you still blame yourself for the things that were not yours, remember this. Not every accusation is true. Not every silence means guilt. And not every kind person is loud. Some are just deeply real. If this video was for you, you do not need to explain it to anyone. Just pause here and breathe.